Hello everyone, how's it going? First I want to apologize. I'm sorry for not being able to upload on time. And since I'm back and I'm filming right now, let's start the video. Wait, didn't the video start? Okay, so we're gonna go to sound effects. And this is actually gonna be really useful for your games because using chiptone is really good. I say because I use it a lot to make music, which is also really good, and also to make sound effects. And how to use it. Okay, and how does this work? Well, good question. So you just click here and it makes a sound. But we can change the type. Like for example, where it says wave, we can actually change it. And there's a lot of things you can do with it. Like you can even change the frequency from low or a little bit higher. And you can even the speed. And you can change the acceleration. And you can, yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with this. Yeah, you can get very creative with this. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with this. And you can even randomize it. So for example, if you don't know what to do, you can just randomize it. Whoa, that was actually a really nice sound effect. And if you accidentally randomize it again, wow, that was actually really nice too. You can press undo and it's there. Or if you wanted to, you can also press redo. And yeah, these sound effects are actually really nice. And you can even change over here. And to save it, you just click here, save. And there it is. It's there. Yeah, I'm gonna save these because I gotta admit, these sounds are actually really nice. I'm just waiting for the lawnmower to pass. And also, you see this piano? It changes, for example, if you click here in the lower side, it gives a lower pitch. But if you give it a higher, if you click on the higher part, it gives it a higher pitch. So yeah, you can really actually customize the sound. And here, well, this is coming soon because it says coming soon. And also here, coming soon. No, it's not coming soon. It's coming soon-ish. But yeah. Anyways, chiptune is really good. I actually like it. And something that you can actually do with chiptune is you can so you remembered how I saved it? Well, you can upload them to BandLab. Yeah, you can. Okay, so I'm in BandLab, and where it says drop a loop or an audio, you can just click on it and see these two sounds. And it's already saved. This is amazing. And if you haven't seen the BandLab video, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description so you can watch it, or also over here on the edge. And I can also upload the other sample, and it's there. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. I'm gonna leave a link to Chiptone. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.